Welcome to the College of Engineering at the University of Toledo, where we inspire students to think innovatively and develop creative solutions that enhance the quality of life globally. We are proud to present the Distinguished Lecture Series, established to honor the remarkable contributions of Dr. Ted Keith and to celebrate the rich history of mechanical engineering at our institution.
1970s, the ME chair, Dr. James John, was my advisor, graduate advisor at the University of Maryland, and he brought me here. I did an interview like most faculty in that. He said, I want him to come with me. Then, after 5 years, he decided to leave, and he became the ME chair at Ohio State, and, as it turns out, I became the chair.
Dr. Keith's legacy includes securing over $75 million in research funding, mentoring nearly 90 graduate students, and teaching more than 40 undergraduate and graduate courses. He has published over 300 scholarly papers and fostered a robust research partnership between the NASA Glenn Research Center and the University of Toledo. This semester, we are honored to feature Provost Don Leo from Ohio University. Provost Leo began his academic journey in mechanical engineering at the University of Toledo and has since held various leadership positions at Virginia Tech and the University of Georgia. He now leads as provost at Ohio University. Following the lecture, we will induct over 20 distinguished members into the Mechanical Engineering Alumni Network of Experts and Scholars, means further strengthening our community of excellence.
How do I see the department moving forward for the next generation of students? We have been trying to answer this question is by listening to two very important groups of constituents. We have a student advisory group and we have an industrial advisory group. In the first, we try to go across and look at students who are in their first year, second year, and as well as last year. And this group of students, because of the mandatory co-op that we have, come back with a lot of intelligence.
For nearly 75 years, the University of Toledo has offered a mechanical engineering degree, providing students with cutting-edge research opportunities in technology and science. The MIME department is investing heavily in student success and engagement through experiential learning and various student clubs. Join us for this exciting event and become part of a dynamic community that values growth, innovation, and collaboration.